If you're seeing this, you're pregnant, about to give birth for the very first time, and you're anxious. You are nervous because, well, it's your first time. You've not done it before. You don't know what labor feels like. You don't know what it feels like to actually give birth. You don't know what recovery is going to be like. You don't know what you don't know. That's how much you don't know. Hey girl, my name is Stephanie. I am the creator of Bump to Bundle Blueprint, and I help first-time moms learn exactly what to do when labor starts, or AKA, I'm your answer prayer. Welcome to my new series, Nobody Warned Me. Yep. In this series, I'm going to be dropping all the tips, all the tricks, all the behind the scenes of labor that no one really talks about. Why? Because I'm a doula, I'm a certified lactation consultant. I've been in the room several times over, more times than I can even count. I've seen everything. And I'm going to tell you what to do, what not to do, so that when your big day comes, when your due date drops, you're ready. You're confident and you're excited to meet your sweet baby. Now, let's start with day one. One of the things that nobody really warns new moms about when labor begins. You are not thinking, oh my goodness, I'm excited to meet my baby. Actually, what really happens is your brain goes into overload for a moment. You have all these videos you've been saving. You've just been trying to prepare. And in that moment, for a split second, you just draw a blank. And then when your brain does power up again, you start asking all these questions. I mean, it just goes into overload quickly. You start asking, is this really it? Oh my goodness. Should I open my contraction timer? Should I call the doctor? Are we supposed to leave for the hospital? When do we leave for the hospital? That should be normalized. It may take you a little bit to kind of get your bearings. Once it actually dawns on you, something is happening and it feels like labor is starting. Now, if you're not going to stick around for this series, then I beg you, please get a plan together, because baby, you're going to need one when that time comes. You're going to need to rely on your plan and not your brain, because your brain is going to be real emotional, but having that plan is going to put you into action because your brain won't have to think. It will need to just follow the plan. Now, if you want to know specifics on the plan, then you need to be in my world. You need to be part of Due Date Diaries. It is my weekly newsletter that I send out. This week alone, I sent a one-page birth plan as well as a what to do when labor starts checklist. Yeah, all this week. So if you're not on there, you are definitely missing out. Comment due date below so we can get you on the list for the next newsletter, because every week is juicy. Every week I am going deeper than what I do here in just a quick video. All right, comment below.